In this quick video today, I'm going to show you how you can change the filter on this Brita Aluna jug and also give it a clean as well, because parts of it come apart that you might not be fully aware of. So first of all, we're going to be taking off this top bit here. Obviously you can give that a nice clean, make sure there's no mold or algae anywhere on that. Bring it over to the sink and give it a nice clean with some warm water. When it comes to this part here, this also comes out. So give this a nice good clean all the way around here, inside and out, when the filter is out. So we're going to be changing the filter now. So I'm going to take the filter out. You just need to grab the filter and you need to put it up, out, off the device itself. It will give you a good opportunity to clean all around in here, all the way around the bottom here and underneath here, everywhere basically. And then of course you have your jug as well. Bring this over to the sink and give this a nice good clean with warm water. So now when it comes to replacing the filter, it's really straightforward. So we've got a nice Brita filter here to replace with. It doesn't matter whether you put it in this way round or that way round, it makes no difference at all. So all we have to do is place it in here and we need to push down firmly. There we go. And you can hear it clicked into place there. And then when it comes to putting this back in here, if you have a look, it goes slightly down here and this bit's more square. You put the square bit towards the jug where the spout is. So dropping it in like so, and that will fit nicely there. And then we're going to put this on here. And now we have to reset the indicator because it's flashing empty. So all we have to do here is hold down the start button until it goes all the way to 100%. So I'm holding it down now and you will see the bars will climb, still climbing, still climbing. It's gone up to 100 there, flashing, and let go. And now that's it, back at 100%. And bit by bit, week by week, it will drop 75%, 50%, 25%, 0, and then you know to change the filter again. The filter that I took out this time was a cheaper Evolve filter. When it comes to taking out the Brita filter, again, just give it a nice good grip front and back here and just pull like that and it comes out. But remember, when you plug it in, you have that nice click. And now over at the sink, you're going to fill it up and you're going to empty all that water out. And then you're going to fill it up again, let it filter through, empty all that out. Fill it up again, let it filter through, empty all that out, and then you can start using it. That way then, if there's anything on the filter, it's all been flushed through, and hopefully the water you will be getting now will be nice and clean. So that's it, that's how to do the Memo indicator and also change the filter on your Brita jug. Thanks for watching.